Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the PHP. So today we are going to learn how to read the CSV file with headers. Previously we have made a video without headers, but now we are come up with the with headers. So let's see, because some of the issues arises like the headers are not there, so you have to implement the headers part. So this video is all about like reading the CSV file with the help of the headers. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. The code is very simple and easy. So this is the path, that is the file path where it exists. So the I will show you the CSV, that is serial number, title, name, storage location and the price, right? After this we have the handle function, which is already with CSV. We have create a array, empty array, and where you can see that I am pushing the rows and the columns, right? The headers and the col and the data. Okay, so this is basically the columns. Okay, and this is the row. So we have the row. Here we go with this is basically all of the rows, and this is our columns, right? So you can see that we are combining with the rows and the rows and the columns, right? So headers with the columns. So you can see that the print is like this. You can see serial number. Like, let me clear all this and let me show you this one. Okay, so these are the 10 records. With this you can see the serial number, this one title, this one name, storage location and the price. So this, you can see that I have read the CSV and combining with the headers with this one. This is, we already know about it, right? I've got CSV, but just you need to add array combine. Here we have the columns, so columns you need to get it. Okay, I've get CSV handle 1000 and this part, right? So you get the columns, and by the row you are getting from this one. Okay, and you are just using the array combined with the row and the column, and just pushing it all and just printing that part. Then you can insert that into the DB. We are going to learn in the next video how you are going to just insert that part in the DB, the array manipulation and all, in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.